Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to write horizontal text in Excel. By default, Excel always types text horizontally from left to right. However, if your text has accidentally been rotated or if you want to make sure it is perfectly aligned horizontally, you can set it up within just a few clicks. For example, if your text has been accidentally rotated, so for this you need to select the cell or range of cells containing the text you want to format, and then go to the Home tab on the top ribbon and look for the orientation button in the alignment group. And here is the orientation button. Click on that and select the format cell alignment at the bottom of the drop down menu. And in the alignment tab on the right side you will see that orientation box. So drag the red diamond indicator or the straight to the middle so it reads 0 degree, and then click OK to proceed. And here you can see that you just make it left alignment and adjust the height of the cells. If you want your horizontal text to wrap onto multiple lines inside a single cell instead of spilling into the next column, for this we need to click on the alignment and click on this small arrow in the alignment tab, click on the wrap text and click OK. And now whenever you decrease or increase the cell size, it will not spill into the next column. So this way you can easily write horizontal text in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.